Thumbs up and kia ora from New Zealand's South Island. In this video, I travel to the cities of Queenstown and Christchurch and visit one of the most spectacular and beautiful places on the planet, Milford Sound. So join me in this video for a journey on New Zealand's South Island. I took an overnight flight from Melbourne to Christchurch, New Zealand, to visit New Zealand's South Island for 3 days. As you watch this video, please keep in mind this was from 2019, before I even had a YouTube channel. So I wasn't recording this to put something on YouTube, I was just documenting my time there. So if the video doesn't seem quite as professional or well cut as my newer videos, that's the reason why. I drove south toward Queenstown, and then on to Teanu, where I had my Airbnb reserved for the night. My first stop was Lake Pukaki, with its beautiful blue water surrounded by snow-capped mountains. This video was made in 2019 on my first trip to New Zealand, so anytime you see me, you're going to notice that I look a lot different. This was before I had my gastric bypass surgery, and I'm now literally half the size that I was in this video. I stopped in Queenstown and had some dinner at the Frankton Pizzeria. My pizza was fantastic. I had a few more hours to drive before I reached Teanu, where my Airbnb was located. The next morning I got up, checked out of my Airbnb, and started driving toward Milford Sound, which is the crown jewel of Fjord National Park. The drive to Milford Sound through the snowy mountains was spectacular. When I arrived at Milford Sound, I parked my car and hiked some trails right along the coast. Milford Sound is a deepwater fjord that's said to be New Zealand's most famous tourist destination. I took a 2-hour boat tour through the fjord, and as you'll see in these videos, it was truly breathtaking. That was very cool. Very cool. We just went under a waterfall. I got drenched, but that was the coolest thing ever. That was amazing. The water was just coming down and I got nailed, but that was so much fun. So much fun. That's it right there. That's the one that got me. Right there. When I left Milford Sound, I drove back to Queenstown. I stopped at a little gas station in the town of Mossburn. This point marked the farthest south I had ever been on planet Earth. When I got to Queenstown, I had some dinner and checked into my Airbnb. The next morning, I got up and walked around the deck of my Airbnb, admiring the views of Lake Wakatipu and the surrounding landscape. I left Queenstown and started driving back towards Christchurch. I only had a few hours in Christchurch before I had to go to the airport, so I decided to take the scenic trolley around town to get the most out of my time. Christchurch was devastated by a massive earthquake in 2011, and some of that destruction could still be seen.
I'm in Christchurch, New Zealand, and this is my last day in New Zealand. I'm headed to the airport in just a few minutes to go back to Australia. I've really enjoyed all my time here in New Zealand. It's been fantastic. Milford Sound was amazing. Queensland, or Queenstown, something like that. Queenstown was just a great little town, and then ending my time here in Christchurch has just been fantastic.
I hope you've enjoyed this little video from 2019. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.